Hey everybody, what's going on? Dr. Brian Stevens here. Happy New Year. Happy New You. Happy reset. And I am so blessed that God's allowed me to see another day. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I just said peace and prosperity no matter what. I'm going to be happy no matter what in 2026. All that negativity gone, all the controlling and all this and all that negative stuff gone. You know, I am. I am a child of the Most High. I am the child of Earlene Jacobs, okay? Better known as Earlene Thomas. And I am her son. I am an Aries. I am not perfect, right? But in God's eyes, I'm so imperfectly perfect in God's eyes. And I accept that, right? So this is a new year. And I was down today. Be honest with you, I was up, I was excited, and then something happened and it brought me down, brought me, a lower energy. And then I prayed, right? And then God said, He said, no, don't be like that, boo-boo kitty. No, everything that you went through was for a reason. And it was a learning lesson. And because of that, 2026 is all about outreach. It's all about me working on my spiritual maturity. It's about leaving the past in the past and not bringing it up anymore. It's about learning from my mistakes, acknowledging my mistakes, right? And by doing that, I am happy. I am so happy, y'all. I am so blessed, y'all. I mean, when you're doing God's will, right? When you're doing and you're trying to get back on track, which you can do, right? For me, I'm getting back on the right track of being who I am, but this time it's going to be totally different. I'm going to walk in my truth. I am who I am. I had a lot of money, lost a lot of money, but guess what? That's not going to stop me. That is not going to stop me. Success is the best revenge, for it speaks without words. But even at this point in time in my life, everybody, I don't even want revenge. I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna move in silence. And guess what? I'm going to be even better off than I was, ever before. And that's what it's all about. Nothing is going to bring me down. I am not going to be around anything that's negative. I'm not going to be around what I call soul snatchers. Soul snatchers are people that aren't happy, right? And then, bam, they just bring you into their environment just to bring down your energy. I'm not going to do that. And I'm not saying that I've been around people like that. I'm just saying what I'm not going to be around in 2026. I am blessed and I learned a lot. I learned what to do, what not to do. But like I said, the biggest takeaway from 2025 is for me to walk into my truth, be who I am, right? And get the back and get the back. That's what I'm good at. That is what I'm good at. So be expecting to see more videos. You're going to start seeing more. You're going to start seeing interviews with those who've been just as impacted. You're going to see the expansion going on. You're going to see the introduction to my nonprofit, and you're really going to start to see the entries with LLC just shot. I got some good news this morning. I mean, like I said, I was feeling down, and right after I prayed, I'm like, Lord, this is you said such and such and such, and He never let me down. And then after that, I got a phone call on January 1st. I got a phone call that blew my mind. You see, you gotta have faith, y'all. You gotta have faith in something. Faith in something. If it's the universe, hey, have faith in the universe. But you got to be positive. Speak positive words of affirmation into your life, right? Anything that's negative, you need to clean sweep that. And I promise myself, I'm not going to drag my past forward. Everything that here's the biggest thing, right? And I remember hearing this in church. They said that if God forgives you, who are we not to forgive others? Right? I have no bad feelings in my heart. I harbor no hatred in my heart. I wish everybody the best in my past. I wish everybody love. I really do. And God bless you all. But as for me, I'm working on me. I am working on me. I am working on my happiness. I'm going to be traveling more. I'm going to do things that I always said that I wanted to do. I'm going to get back on track. And I guarantee you, God has a plan for me, right? And I know by me helping people, that blessing is just going to blow up into something very, very positive. So in closing, I just want y'all to know that you are amazing. You are great. You are not a copy. So be the best copy that you can be. God is with you. This is your year to do something different. And what I'm doing different this year is I'm walking in my truth. I am going to be me. I'm going to be working on my spiritual maturity. I'm going to be working on outreach. You're going to see me more on the news. I've been on the news twice in 2025. You're going to see me on the news. If you got PR experience, definitely hit me up. If you got computer experience, definitely hit me up. I want to partner with you. We are going to do some major outreach. We're going to do some major things on a positive level. But as I said, I got great news today after I prayed. And let me tell you, I know it, and I'm going to put it out there in the atmosphere. I know greater things are coming my way. But you know what? Greater things are coming your way, just as long as you believe. You stay faithful. You stay positive. And I'm telling you, you walk in your truth. Your ancestors are watching. You're going to be okay. I'm Dr. Brian Stevens, and I'm not perfect, but I am blessed. God bless every single one of you. Let's go to grow.